I do boat owner training. If a person or couple buys a boat and they need training to sort of get started locally, whether that's not hitting the docks, not hitting other boats, those type of things, we do that. We also take them on sometimes their first passage, maybe to the Bahamas, maybe further, and give them offshore passage making experience. Sometimes you take those two and do them in conjunction, do some dock training for 3 days, and then take them on a passage. And then I also do a lot of free consulting, is what I would say. I do a lot of helping people with passage making planning, and some would say that I do a lot of repair work and those type, or at least give them advice because I've been doing this for so long.
Well, that is great.